Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have content. Now make it linkable and start outreach. First, pick 3-5 pages that solve a clear problem, data, evergreen guides, or tools, and optimize their titles and meta so they're link-worthy. Next, prospect 50 relevant domains with decision names and contact methods, sort by priority. Then craft one short outreach template that explains value in one sentence and a single call to action. Once done, personalize the top 10 and send the first batch immediately. Don't wait. You'll do the heavy lifting now. Personalize outreach so recipients see real relevance. Mention the page you read, suggest an exact anchor, and explain why your asset improves their post. Use a 3-step follow-up cadence, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, and switch channels if needed, like Twitter DM or contact form. At the same time, run parallel tactics. Pitch guest post ideas, respond to hero requests, and hunt broken links you can replace. This increases success rate and speeds results. You're at the finish line. When a webmaster agrees, confirm the exact URL and preferred anchor, then record it in your tracker with date and status. Make sure the link goes live and is indexable. Monitor referral clicks and organic impact over weeks. Diversify anchors and domains to avoid over-optimization. If a link doesn't appear, follow up politely, ask for a status, check for canonical or robots blocks, and offer a small edit to fit their style. If necessary, consider a different contact or replace the prospect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.